Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel all about ideas. So how are you guys? I hope so you all are fine. So viewers, in this video I am showing you a beautiful, amazing and very unique pebble painting ideas. These are very beautiful and very unique pebble painting design for you guys, for beginners, and you paint these pebble craft at home very easily. These are very beautiful ideas for you guys. So always think positive, always be positive, and always take care of yourself guys. These are very classy, very unique and very latest ideas for you guys. And you also watch different type of videos on my channel about making design, about parallel craft, about Christmas craft, about different videos. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, so must subscribe my channel, and also click the bell icon for more updates, for more videos about my channel. So always take care of yourself, always think positive, always be positive guys.